Let's learn about all farm animals. What are their habits and what do they eat? Let's get started. A baby cow is called a calf. Cows eat grass, alfalfa, clover, and hay. Let me tell you a fun fact. Cows can smell things up to 6 miles away. A baby horse is called a foal. Horses eat grass, hay, corn, and oats. They also eat fruits and vegetables. The fun fact is, horses sleep standing up. A baby sheep is called a lamb. Sheep eat mostly grass, plants, and seeds. The funny fact is sheep have rectangular pupils in their eyes. A baby chicken is called a chick. Chickens eat grass, bugs, fruit, vegetables, and even table scraps. The special fun fact is chickens dream when they sleep. A baby goat is called a kid. Goats eat shrubs, trees, hay, and grains. The funny fact is goats do not have front teeth in their upper jaw. Thank you for watching.